you're like me, you are attracted to this refrigerator for its seaming abilities. Love the ice crusher. In particular, that's what drew me in, the upper ice dispenser and crusher. But after only a fairly short time, maybe a year, maybe less, the ice maker started to clog up. The real issue is this. It's very simple. See the light coming into the ice bin? It goes all the way along and in the very back. And I'll show you. So you can see the seam where the compartment of the ice maker is, and it goes across the back and up. Okay, but the most important one is this one right there. So that lets the warmer refrigerator air enter the ice compartment. The interior is caulked. The compressor kicked on and froze the element. So, and that's just ambient moisture. And when the fan is installed, it will sublimate and clean up. So you can see the bead goes around. And the first thing that goes back in the fridge is the blower. And we'll put that in. So there's one part here, which is the clip that snaps into a slot in the fridge, and then we can plug in this cable. So there's a little bit of stickum tape also around here. It really is okay to leave alone. So the actual ice maker looks like this, and right up here, this upper portion is where the coils nest. So when you're putting this in, you kind of got to jimmy it in, and then at the end push the coils up. So let's do that. Right now you can see the coils are inside of there. We just push, and we got to kind of work it in a little. Okay, well, the ice maker unit is snapped in. And there's a clip up here. You have to push the whole thing up against. You pull it out, push it up, and there's two things which catch it, and then it clicks in. And then you close the coil cover right here, which clicks. And then there's a screw you have to put back right here. Now we'll put the cover back on. You see how the wiring harnesses are placed, and there's one that runs to the back. So here comes the harness cover. So here we go. We're ready to put the Ice Master ice bucket in, and everything is back together and snug. And here we go. This is the secret latch to release the bucket. So in we go. Just kind of gotta work it around the door. It slides in smoothly. There you go, all done.